வீடியோவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். This video electronics part 37 consists of digital electronics, binary numbers, decimal numbers, octa, hexadecimal numbers conversions are explained with examples. Then excess of 3 code is explained with example. Next, gray to binary, binary to gray conversions are explained with examples. Then logic gates like or, and, not, nor, NAND, XOR, XNOR gates are explained with truth table. Then Boolean expression, De Morgan law is given. Finally, GATE, Jawaharlal Nehru University questions, TNPSC questions with answers are given with explanation. Digital electronics. A digital information is represented by bits or binary digits. It consists of 0 and 1. The state 1 represents presence of a signal and 0 represents absence of the signal respectively. Number system. Binary numbers are 0 and 1. Octal numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Decimal numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Hexadecimal numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then A represents 10, B represents 11, C represents 12, D represents 13, E represents 14, F represents 15 respectively. Example for decimal to binary. Here we consider 9 number. It is divided by 2, we get 4 and remainder 1. Then it is divided by 2, 2, 0. Then it is once again divided by 2, we get 1, 0. Therefore, the given number 9 is divided by 2 until the number is not divisible by 2. We get the binary number 1001 base 2. Let us consider 19.6. First, the numerical value of 19 is taken. 19 is divided until it is not divided by 2. Then to find out the value of binary, the remainder value is taken from bottom to top. We get 10011. To find the binary value of 0.6, it is multiplied by 2, we get 1.2. The value of integer 1 is taken right side. Then 0.2 is multiplied by 2, we get 0.4. 0 is taken right side. 0.4 is multiplied by 2, we get 0.8. 0 is taken right side. 0.8 is multiplied by 2, we get 1.6. 1 is taken right side. Therefore, binary value of 0.6 is taken from top to bottom, 1001. Total binary value of 19.6 is 10011.1001 base 2. Consider the binary value 10011.1001. First we consider the decimal part. 2 power minus 1 into 1 equal to 0.5. 2 power minus 2 into 0 equal to 0. 2 power minus 3 into 0 equal to 0. 2 power minus 4 into 1 equal to 0.062. Adding this 0.562, it is approximately equal to 0.6. Decimal part is 0.6. Then we consider 10011. 1 into 2 power 0 equal to 1. Then 2 power 1 into 1 equal to 2. 2 power 2 into 0 equal to 0. 2 power 3 into 0 equal to 0. 2 power 4 into 1 equal to 16. Then adding 19. Therefore, the binary number 10011.1001 is converted into decimal is 19.6. Next we are going to see the octal number to decimal conversion. 23 is taken. 3 is multiplied by 8 power 0, we get 3. 2 is multiplied by 8 power 1, we get 16. Adding these two, 19 base 10 is answer. Decimal to octal conversion, we consider the number 19 which is divided by 8, we get 2. Remainder is 3. Therefore, to convert it into octal form is 23 base 8. Decimal to octal conversion. 0.23 is multiplied by 8, we get 1.84. Here the numerical value 1 is taken right side. Then the fraction value 0.84 is multiplied by 8, we get 6.72. Then once again numerical value 6 is taken as right side. Then the decimal value 72 is multiplied by 8, we get 5.76. The numerical value 5 is taken as right side. Now the numerical values are taken from top to bottom, we get 0.165 to the base 8. Octal to binary conversion value of 23 base 8. Here we consider 2 and 3. For the value of 2, 3-digit form 0, 1, 0. Similarly, for 3, 0, 1, 1, we get 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 to the base value of 2. Binary to octal conversion, we consider the value of 0.010011. For the value of 010.2, then 0113, therefore 0.23 base 8 is the answer. Hexadecimal values and its equivalent binary values are given. For the value of 9, 1001, for A 1010, B 1011, C 1100, D 1101, E 1110, F 1111. These values will be useful for solving problems. Consider the hexadecimal value of 9A of base 16 to binary. From the previous table, for the value of 9 is 1001, for the value of A is 1010, F value is 1111. Then to convert the value of binary to hexadecimal, 1001100 is 8C base 16. Hexadecimal value of E6.2 base 16 to decimal value. Here we consider E6.2. Then 2 into 16 power minus 1 equal to 8. 6 into 16 power 0 equal to 6. E into 16 power 1 equal to 224. Adding this, we get 230.8 base 10. Here for the printing mistake, 23.8 is given. It is wrong. It should be read as 230.8 base 10. Decimal to hexadecimal conversion, we consider the value of 2479 is divided by 16, we get 154. Remainder F, once again 154 is divided by 16, we get 9, and A is the remainder. Therefore 9AF to the base 16 is the correct answer. XS3 code. First point, the XS3 code is an important 4-bit code sometimes used with binary coded decimal numbers. Second point, to convert any decimal number into its XS3 form. Third point, add each decimal digit and then convert the sum to a binary coded decimal number. Example for conversion of 12 to XS3 code number. Here we consider 1 to 1 is added to 3, and similarly 2 is also added to 3. We get 4 and 5. For the value of 4, 0, 1, 0, 0, 5, 0, 1, 0, 0 is the answer. Convert the Cray code 1010 to binary form. Here we consider the 1010 in terms of G3, G2, G1 and G0 in the form of 1010 respectively. Then consider the value of G3 1 for the value of B3. Then it is added to G2 value of 0. Adding 1 and 0, we get the value of 1. It is taken as B2. Then B2 value 1 is added to G1 value 1. We get 0. Then B1 value of 0 is added to G0 value 0. Then 0 and 0 is added. We get the value of B0 is 0. Therefore, we get the answer of 1100 is taken as binary value. Convert the value of binary 1011 to Cray code. Here the value of 1011 is taken in the binary form B3, B2, B1, B0 respectively. Then B3 is taken as G3 1. B3 value 1 is taken to B2 side. We get 0 plus 1. G2 value is 1. Then B2 is value 0 is taken to b1 0, then b1 1 value plus 0 adding we get g1 value 1, then b1 value 1 is taken to b0 side, adding b0 value 1 plus 1 we get 0, therefore the gray card value is 1110 is answer. Boolean expression is given in detail. First point, ABC equal to within bracket AB into C equal to A into BC. Second point, AB equal to BA. Third, AA equal to A. Fourth one, A into 1 equal to A. Fifth one, A dot 0 equal to 0. Sixth one, A into B plus C equal to AB plus AC. Seventh point, A plus B equal to B plus A. Eighth one, A plus within bracket B plus C equal to within bracket A plus B plus C. Ninth one, A plus 0 equal to A. Tenth one, A plus 1 equal to A. 11th one, A plus A equal to A. 12th point, A plus A bar equal to 1. 13th point, A bar to the bar equal to A. 14th one, negation of A plus B equal to A bar dot B bar. 15th one, A plus AB equal to A. Similarly, P plus BC equal to B. 16th one, A plus A bar B equal to A plus B. Similarly, B plus B bar C equal to B plus C. 17th one, A plus BC equal to A plus B into A plus C. 18th one, AB bar equal to A bar plus B bar. 19th one, A into A plus B equal to A. 20th point, A into A bar plus B equal to AB. 21, A bar equal to 0. Next topic, logic gates. Logic gates, first one, NOT gate or inverter. It has only one input signal and one output signal. The output is always opposite to that of input. Truth table, if the value of input is 0, output is 1, input is 1, output is 0. OR gate, it has two or more input signals but only one output signal. Truth table for OR gate, in the value of 0 0 is only output 0, all the remaining AB values are 1 or 0, the output will be always 1. AND gate, it has two or more input signal but only one output signal. Truth table for AND gate, if the value of input A and B will be 1, the output will be 1. The other remaining values are 0. It is similar to multiplication table. NOR gate can be simply explained as OR plus NOT gate. Truth table for NOR gate is given below. For the value of input 1 and 1 for the A and B value, the output value will be 1. The remaining values, the output value will be 0. Truth table for NOR gate and AND gate is same. The output of AND gate is added to NOT gate, we get NAND gate. Truth table for NAND gate is given. For the value of A and B is 1, the output value will be 0. For the other value of inputs A and B, we get the value of output 1. NAND gate and NOR gates are used to build an OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate. Therefore, they are called as universal gates. XOR gate, the Boolean equation for XOR gate is y equal to A bar B plus A B bar. Truth table for XOR gate, if the value of input A and B are equal to 0, we get y value 0. For the other values are output value will be 1. XNOR gate, the Boolean equation for XNOR gate is y equal to AB plus A bar B bar. Truth table for XNOR gate is, if the input value of AB are 0 or if the value of AB are 1 1, the output value will be 1. The remaining values, the output value will be 0. De Morgan's law, first law, negation value of A plus B equal to negation of AB. The complement of a sum is equal to product of its complements. Second law, AB bar equal to A bar plus B bar. The complement of a product is equal to the sum of the complement. Question number 1. The binary number corresponding to decimal number 108 is dash. First, consider the number 108. It is divided by 2. We get 54. Remainder 0. Then 54 is divided by 2. 27. 0. 27 is divided by 2. 13. Remainder 1. 13 is divided by 2. 6. Remainder 1. 6 is divided by 2. 3. Remainder 0. 3 is divided by 2. We get 1. Remainder 1. Therefore, the binary value is 1101100, base value 2. Question number 2. 10101 binary number corresponds to decimal number. 4 options are given: A 31, B 21, C 11, D 3. First value 1 into 2 power 0 is 1. Second value 0 into 2 power 1 is 0. Third value 1 into 2 power 2 is 4. Fourth value 0 into 2 power 3 is 0. Last value 1 into 2 power 14 is 16. Adding this we get 21. Therefore B is the correct answer. Question 3. To get an output 1 from the circuit as shown in figure, the input ABC must be A 010, B 100, C 101, D 110. If the input 10 is given to OR gate, output will be 1. C is 1. The 11 is given to AND gate, output will be 1. C is the correct answer. Given the logic equation y equal to AB bar plus A bar B, draw the logic circuit using AND, OR and NOT gates. Here, NOT gate is given to B and NOT gate is given to A. Then AND gate will become A B bar and A bar B. The input is given to OR gate. Y value will be A B bar and A bar B. Question 5. Make a truth table for a 2-input XOR. Draw the logic circuit for the XOR gate using only one each of AND, NAND and OR gates. Truth table. If the value of input A and B are 0, 0, A plus B 0, AB equal to 0, AB dash is equal to 1, Y value will be 0. Then A equal to 0, B equal to 1, B equal to 1, AB equal to 0, AB dash is equal to 1, therefore Y is 1. The third value, A is 1, B is 0, A plus B 1, AB 0, AB dash is 1, Y equal to 1. Last one, A and B are 1, A plus B is 1, AB equal to 1, AB dash is 0, Y is also 0. Question number 6. In a logic gate, the output Y in terms of input ABC is Y equal to ABC plus A B bar C plus AB C bar. This circuit can be replaced by another logic circuit having A Y equal to ABC, B Y equal to A into B plus C, C Y equal to B into A plus C, D Y equal to C into A plus B. The given data Y equal to ABC plus AB bar C plus ABC bar. Therefore, all the values A is taken as common. Therefore, A is taken as out common within bracket BC plus B bar C plus BC bar. The next term A within bracket C is taken as common. C into B plus B bar plus BC bar. Therefore, B plus B bar is equal to 1. Therefore, the equation will become A into C plus B C bar. The next term C plus B C bar equal to P plus C. Therefore, Y equal to A into P plus C. Hence, P is the answer. Question number 7. If the output of the logic circuit shown in the figure is 1, the input could be option A equal to B equal to C equal to 1, D equal to 0, B A equal to 1, B equal to 1, C equal to 0, D equal to 0, C A equal to 1, B equal to 0, C equal to 1, D equal to 1, D A equal to 0, B equal to 1, C equal to 1, D equal to 1. Here the correct answer is A, B, C equal to 1 and D equal to 0. It is represented in the figure. Question 8. Which one of the set of values given below does not satisfy the Boolean relation r equal to pq dash, where q dash denotes not q? Option A, p equal to 1, q equal to 1, r equal to 0. B, p equal to 1, q equal to 0, r equal to 1. C, p equal to 0, q equal to 0, r equal to 0. D, p equal to 0, q equal to 1, r equal to 1. Here, value of p is 0, q is 1, therefore q dash is 0. Multiplying p and q dash, we get the value of r equal to 0. But d, r is 1 is given, therefore d is the correct answer. Question 9. Verify the following equivalence of Boolean expression and implement a circuit to perform the given logic y equal to negation value of ab plus a bar b bar equal to a plus b into a bar plus b bar. Here, take the left hand side negation value of ab plus a bar b bar, then bar value of ab equal to a bar plus b bar, a bar to the bar equal to a, b bar to the bar equal to b, therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Question number 10. The dual of the statement a plus 1 equal to 1. Option A dot 1 equal to a, b a dot 0 equal to 0, c a plus a equal to a, d a dot a equal to 1. Answer D, a dot a equal to 1 is the correct answer. Question 11. According to the law of Boolean algebra, the expression a plus ab is equal to a, b, ab, c, b, d, a bar. We know that from the Boolean expression a plus ab is equal to a, therefore a is the correct answer. Question 12. If m equal to a bar b plus a b bar, then m bar is option a bar b bar plus ab, b a bar plus b, c a plus b bar, d a plus b into a bar plus b bar. Answer A is the correct answer. From the given data, negation of m equal to negation of a bar b plus a b bar. Then simplifying, it will be equal to a plus b bar into a bar plus b. Once again multiplying a bar plus a b plus a bar b bar plus b b bar. Simplifying a bar a, b bar b cancelled. Therefore ab plus ab bar. Therefore answer A is the correct answer. Question number 13. For the given combination of logic gate, the circuit diagram is given below. Option A, y equal to a plus b into c bar plus d bar. Option B, y equal to ab plus c bar plus d bar. Option C, y equal to ab bar plus cd bar. Option D, y equal to a bar plus b bar plus cd. The input of AB is given to NAND gate, then CD is given to AND gate. The output will become A bar plus B bar CD. The output is given to input of OR gate. Y will be A bar plus B bar plus CD. Therefore, D is the correct answer. Question number 14. Which of the following option is true for a true input XOR gate? Option A, the inputs are 0 and output will be 1. Option B, inputs are 1 and 0, output is 0. Option C, inputs are 0 0, output is 1. Option D, inputs are 1 1, output is 1. We know that for XOR gate y equal to a bar b plus a b bar. Here option A equal to 0, b equal to 1, y equal to 1. Therefore, substitute the values in the above equation. Y equal to a for the value of a bar 1, for the value of b 1, and plus a 0 into b bar 0. Multiplying and adding we get 1. So A is the correct answer. Subscribe பண்ணாதவங்க subscribe பண்ணுங்க, like பண்ணுங்க, share பண்ணுங்க, comment பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.